Hello and welcome to Meshed Up. In this video, we are going to discuss splitting the objects and surfaces in Geometry Editor. Now, after importing our model into KeyShot, our first step is to separate this object into different objects and surfaces. Why? Because we want to apply different material to different objects and surfaces. Suppose here I have imported a door model, okay, which I have modeled in Blender. Now, in this right window, when you go to scenes, and here you can see that we have only one object. You can see the highlighted preview here. Okay. And if you are unable to see this window, simply press space. Okay. Now, suppose I want to assign different material to different objects and surfaces. I have modeled this door handle in Blender, and I know that this door handle contains two different objects. One is this handle and other is this key slot. But KeyShot treats are both the objects as a single object. As you can see here, I have only one object. Now, if I simply drag and drop any material on this object, you can see that whole objects acquire this material, which is zinc polished in our case. Now, to apply different material on different objects, you have to split the different objects and surfaces. I will simply press Ctrl Z to undo. Now, to split into different objects or surfaces, you have to first select it and then right click. Now go to split separate objects. After clicking on separate objects, KeyShot do some calculation in building mesh, building vertex connectivity and building edge connectivity. Okay, the more complex body you have, the more time it will take. Suppose you import a car model, then it takes a lot of time depending upon your computer processor power. After all the calculations done by KeyShot, a new window will pop out, which is known as Geometry Editor. In this window, we can select different objects and split them into two or more. Now, to select any object, you have to simply go to that object and left click. Now here you can see a green preview of our selected objects. Okay. To deselect this object, you have to click the empty area. Now again I will select this object. Here you can see that I have two objects, one which is of green color, another which is of gray color, which means that I have two different objects. How I know that? Because I modeled this in Blender by using two different objects. Now to split it into two or more, you have to select the object and click on this button split object. Here you can see that I have only one object, but after I click on this button, you will see that here I have two objects. Now you can hide the objects also by simply removing this check mark in this box, and again clicking on this box you can see the objects. Suppose I want to hide this green preview. To do that, I will click on this checkbox, and here you can see that our key slot. Now I will simply click on this apply button. Here, when you click on this plus icon in scenes, then you can see we have two different objects, and I can apply different material to these two objects. Okay, to apply different material, I have to unlink both the material. To unlink, first select the object, right click and go to materials and unlink material. Now you can see that I can apply different material to both the objects. Okay, I will simply press Ctrl Z. Now while modeling, I have made this surface and this surface as a single object. So if suppose I want to apply different material to this surface and this surface, so how will I do that? To do that, I have to split this object into its surfaces. Surface is a part of an object. Okay, so to split them into surfaces, simply select the object, right click, and then split object surfaces. Now again, Keyshot will do some calculations on building mesh, vertex connectivity and edge connectivity. Again, after those calculation, our new window pops out, which is same, known as geometry editor. Now, to split these objects into surfaces, first you will see that I don't have a key slot here. Why? Because I have separated that object. It is no more the part of this door handle. Now, to separate this into different surfaces, I have to select those surfaces. Now see, when I select these surfaces, what will happen? Here you can see that when I have selected this surface, our whole object is selected. So to select this, only this surface, you have to reduce its splitting angle. To reduce its splitting angle, you have to decrease this slider, or you can manually input the value here. Okay, now I will manually input the value of 10. So here you can see the preview. Okay, and now if you want to select multiple, then simply press and hold Control and select the other surfaces. Okay, now as here you can see that I have only single surfaces, which is this object. To split it into two surface or more, click on this button, and now here you can see that I have two surfaces. One is this and other is this one. You can hide it also. Okay, now I will press apply, and here you can see that if you click on this plus icon, then you have two different surfaces. And again, if you want to apply different material to these two surfaces, then you have to unlink these materials. Unlink, and now you can apply different material to these two surfaces. So let me choose different materials and say copper to this keyhole. So this is how you can split any object into different objects and surfaces. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching.